Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. I just wanted to pop in here really quick and let you all know that the APA show is right around the corner. It's actually coming up next week. So if you're in the personalization business, whether that's laser engraving, of course, UV printing, crafting, or even in the award industry, then mark your calendars and get on a plane and get over to the APA show next week. This incredible event runs from February 4th through the 7th, and it only comes around once a year, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. This isn't just any trade show. The APA show is the ultimate hub for learning, networking, and discovering the latest trends and technologies in the personalization industry. It has tons of classes, live demos, hands-on workshops, and it's the perfect place to level up your skills and knowledge. I'm especially excited because I'll be there as an educator this year, teaching a class on some Adobe Illustrator tips and tricks for your laser engraving business. So whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your design process, I'll show you all my best tips and tricks when it comes to using Adobe Illustrator for laser engraving. I'll also be speaking on a panel about one of the hottest topics right now, AI in the personalization world. We're going to explore AI and how it's transforming how we create designs and run our businesses. And actually, that's not all. I'll also be hosting a live Q&A at the show about running a successful laser engraving business called the Ask Me Anything session, where I'll answer all your questions about what it's like to run a successful laser engraving business. I'm very excited to share all my insight from over a decade in the industry. The exhibit floor at the APA is absolutely massive, and it'll be showcasing some of the latest tools, materials, and technology. Whether you're looking to invest in a new laser machine, a UV printer, want to find a unique substrate to personalize, this is the place to see it all in action. Plus, you get to meet the people behind the brands, ask questions, and see live demonstrations of their products. But the APA show isn't just about the tools and the tech, it's about the community. You'll meet like-minded professionals, forge valuable connections, and get inspired by others who share your passion for personalization. Don't miss this opportunity to invest in yourself and your business. Whether you're just starting out or you've been in the industry for years, there's something for everyone at the APA show. I really hope I get to meet some of you there. The APA show is coming up next week, February 4th through the 7th, in Las Vegas at the Horseshoe. I've listed a link in the description below where you can go and register right now. I just really wanted to let you all know about this amazing opportunity to get educated for your laser engraving business. So with that, we'll see you around on Laser Engraving 911.